So today I'm going to quickly show you how to buy an index fund on Vanguard's trading platform. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and just hop onto the computer and show you how to do this in real time. So we're going to jump on here and you're going to see I'm currently logged into my Vanguard account. Now this is personally my retirement, but this will still work for you nonetheless if it's a taxable account or retirement. So we're going to hover over here where it says my accounts, and you're going to see an option here that says buy and sell. So if we click on buy and sell, it's going to give us a couple new options here. And because we want to do some index funds, we're going to go here where it says trade ETFs or stocks. So we click on here and it's going to bring us up to this page where we can type in a couple different options for us. So first and foremost, we have to choose which account we want. So I'm going to go ahead and do my rollover IRA. And then it's going to ask us what type of transaction do we want, buy or sell. And then right over here, it's going to ask us for a symbol. So that is the 3 to 4 letters that come with the stock. Now, if you don't know, you can always look up the symbols. But for us today, you can see here, I already have VOOG as one of the index funds. This is one that I personally like and I think is fantastic for my personal investing. So what we're going to do here now is we can see the information here for Vanguard. So this kind of just gives you an update here. So this is the Vanguard S&P 500 Growth Fund. We could see its last price. We could see how it's kind of been performing. So we can see a little bit of this information for us. Now, what we do next is we type in how many shares we want to purchase. So we can say that we want 5 shares. If you have a certain dollar amount, you can actually click on the dollars to shares. So you can say, hey, you know what? I got $5,000 that I'm going to be investing with. How many shares does that equal out to? And it'll tell you right then and there. You can say use for trade, and then that just plops in the number for you. Now, next up, it's going to ask you for your order type. So if you click on here, you got market order, limit order, stop, and then stop limit. For this example here today, we're going to just do a market order. That's usually the most basic way to go through the process in doing this. And then the duration is automatically set for the day. That doesn't change when you do the market. And then you're going to see here the estimated transaction details. So it's going to tell you the principal of the amount, which is, what 23 shares is going to cost you, how much it's going to cost as far as commission. It is free because we are doing a Vanguard index, and we're good to go there. So once you're done with that, you can go ahead and click on continue. So just to keep this in mind that because I don't have the proper funds in here, it will go through the process of actually going through and pulling the money that I have from my account. So once you hit yes on that last page, from here, it's gonna say review and submit. So from here, it doesn't have anything officially submitted just yet. So once you double check everything, making sure that it is exactly where you want it, you can go ahead and click on submit. And if you're not, you can go ahead and click cancel or back if you absolutely need to. I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how to deposit money into your Vanguard account if you're needing to know how to do that. So check out my video right over here to learn that process. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.